Welcome back, dear Dinka learners. Today, let us learn 35 present tenses in Dinka language. 35 present tenses in Dinka language. Please watch the video to the end so that you learn this 35 word in Dinka language. Let us begin from number 1. Dinka to English. Number 1. An, also called yan, mean I am, or me. Number 2. And that mean I am cooking. Number 3. And meep mean I am eating. Number 4. And cut, or you can say yan cut. And cut mean I am running. Number 5. And jam mean I am talking. And jam or yan jam. Number 6. And diao mean I'm crying. The term word in Dinka diao mean crying. And diao, I'm crying, is present tense. Number 7. And die mean I am watching. Or I'm looking. You are watching at something or you are looking at something. And die kura, for example, and die kura, I'm watching football. Or you can say I'm looking after cattle. Number 8. And dal mean I am laughing. You were crying before, which mean and diao, but now you are laughing, which mean and dal, I am laughing. So you have to differentiate between and I, which is I'm watching or I'm looking, between and dal, I am laughing. Number 9. And quen mean I am reading. Number 10. And get mean I'm writing. And get. Number 11. And pur mean I am cultivating. You are cultivating your farm. Number 12. And chat mean I am walking. And chat in Dinka, and chat, I'm walking. When someone asks you, what are you doing, my friend? Then you say, and chat, yanguloy madye. You reply, and chat, I'm walking. Number 13. And nin mean I am sleeping. Nin means to sleep. 14. And what? Nga u a ta. And what mean I am snoring. You are sleeping, then you start snoring. It's called what in Dinka language, snoring. What and what. James is snoring. In Dinka, James and what. Number 15. And youth or and chinyot mean I am dreaming. Dream in Dinka mean youth. And youth, I am dreaming. Number 16. And ping mean I'm listening. And ping uak, I'm listening to the song. And ping, I'm listening. So ping is listen, to listen to something in Dinka. Number 17. And bo And bo mean I am coming. I am coming. And bo in Dinka language, we learned it the other time. Number 18, angel or en-law. Angel or en-law. Angel, en-law mean I am going. I am going. You are going. You are going, you say angel or en-law in Dinka language. Number 19, anduk. Anduk. Anduk mean I am returning back. I am returning back. Anduk mean to return. I'm returning. Number 20, and tech. And tech. And tech mean I am thinking. I'm thinking. You are thinking of something. Ngutagich. What are you thinking of? Ngutagich. What are you thinking of? Number 21. And dick. And dick. And dick mean I'm drinking. I'm drinking. For example, I'm drinking water. In Dinka, and dick pew. And dick pew. I'm drinking milk. And dick cha. And dick cha. I'm drinking milk. The term word dick mean drinking. You are drinking something. Number 22. And-law gave. And-law gave mean I'm going to the town. I'm going to the town. And-law gave. And-law gave law. We get law before mean to go. Number 23. And theme. And theme. The im. And theme. Theme mean sneeze. To sneeze in Dinka mean theme. Now and theme, I am sneezing. I am sneezing. Sneezing. I'm sneezing. And theme, I'm sneezing. Jacob theme mean Jacob is sneezing. 24. And all. And all. And all mean I am coughing. I am coughing. You are coughing. Coughing. All. All in Dinka language is called coughing. Number 25. And mole. And mole. Mole ma o la. And mole mean crawling. I am crawling. I'm crawling mean and mole. The baby is crawling. Meet a mole. The baby is crawling. Meet a mole. Meet a mole. Mole mean crawling. When you are young, you crawl. Number 26. And guang. And guang. Ga wu ong. And guang mean I'm bending. I'm bending. Guang bin kedang kwai. Bend down to pick it. To bend down so that you pick something on the ground. It's called and guang. And guang, I'm bending. Number 27. And catch. And catch. Catch. And catch. And catch mean I am standing up. I am standing up. You are standing upright. Catch. Number 28. And nudge. And nudge. And nudge mean I'm sitting. I'm sitting down. You are sitting down. You want to sit down. You say and nudge. I'm sitting. Number 29. And lack. And lack. And lack. La aka mean I am bathing. I'm bathing. You are washing yourself. You are washing your body. And lack. The term word and mean I. Lack mean bathing. That mean I am bathing. Lack. And lack deputy. I'm bathing with hot water or warm water. Number 30. And look. And look. La ok. And look mean I'm washing. I'm washing. Washing your clothes. You are washing your clothes or you are washing utensil. and look alert, and look aduk, and look alert mean I'm washing clothes, and look aduk mean I'm washing utensil or I'm washing the plates. Number 31, and ngam and ngam, nga ma, and ngam mean I am yawning, and ngam I am yawning, ngam I am yawning, and ngam in Dinka language. Number 32, and lui, and lui, and lui mean I'm walking, you are walking, you have a job, you are walking, and lui. Number 33, and kwang, kwang ka u a nga, and kwang mean to swim. If it is and kwang mean I am swimming, and kwang I am swimming, and kwang is in Dinka, then in English I am swimming. Number 34, and dip or and may, and dip and may rich mean I am fishing, and dip or and dip ibubo, and may is chabak. So simple mean I'm fishing. Number 35, and yap, ya apa, and yap mean I'm hunting, you are hunting the wild animals in the bush. I'm hunting, and yap. Ugala yap yakul, we are going to for hunting today, and layap. Nyalik awake, God with you, by Ran Puch Thoŋjäŋ or Dinka language, William Majak Balek. Please subscribe, follow, share, and like our video. Be part of Dinka learning family. Yenakan. Nyalik awake. Waban yok next lesson. Please share the video so that other people can also get the video and they learn also. Dinka language is very easy and very simple. I'm here for you guys to make it simple for you. For those of you who are asking about the colors, the colors are nothing wrong there. In a will, that's how we call them. We call them Mayan, Malwan, Mabior, like that. So there is nothing wrong there. And if it is in a bore extent, there is Madol, Makep, all these one are there. So and we don't have them in a will. So there is different. Okay guys, thank you. I hope you all understand what I'm talking about. Jalka video oi, watch the video to the end so that you learn more. Nakar, nyali jaboy dodge ben. Bye bye.